Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Maths Olympiad regarding algebra, let us know some solving problem for integer solution. This type of equation is very first solved by the famous mathematician Ramanujan. This type equation I solve here with some different numbers. Look at here. The equation is root x plus y equal to 13 and x plus root y equal to 19. We have two equations you have to solve for integer solution. Look at here. First I rewrite this equation. Root x plus y equal 13 is the first equation. The second one, x plus root y equal 19. By subtracting 1 and 2, we get root x plus y minus x plus root y equal minus 6, because 13 minus 19 is minus 6. Now, opening the bracket, root x plus y minus x minus root y equal minus 6. Then I collect y minus x and root x minus root y equal minus 6. Now, here look at here. I use minus for this first vector, then interchange x minus y plus root x minus root y equal minus 6. Now I write these positive things first and negative here, then root x minus root y minus x minus y equal minus 6. Look at further. Root x minus root y. The second factor, x minus y, is written like, look at here, root x the square minus root y the square. Root x square is x, root y square is y. Minus 6. Now, further, root x minus root y. Here, difference of square. Root x whole square minus root y whole square is root x minus root y and root x minus root y equal minus 6. Further, I take root x minus root y as a common factor. Root x minus root y 1, because root x minus root y here, then minus root x minus root y minus 6. Further, root x minus root y I multiply by minus throughout. Regarding that, I change this one. I write first root x minus root y minus 1 minus 6 into minus 1 is 6. Look at here, this I interchange because of multiplication with minus 1. So both sides, so it is minus 6 becomes 6 here. Then look at here, these two factors for integer solutions, possible values for multiplication of 6 equal, look at here. Now I put the first factor, root x minus root y, is possible value is, and second is root x minus root y minus 1. Here we have to get it positive 6. The product of 46 is 6 is possibly 1 for this first vector equal to 1, second vector must be equal to 6 because 1 and 6, 1 multiplied 6 is 6 for these two factors here. Then another possible value, suppose if we put this 2 into what is 6, that is 3. So these are repeating also. That means what, 6 here, 1, and if you put 3 here, 2. These are possible values of these factors. Now adding left and right, root x plus root x is 2 root x. Here this root y, sorry, this become plus because you are multiplying with minus here. So this addition become cancellation of root y and root y. Here this minus 1 is possible values for this one. Addition is 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 3 is 5, and then here 7 and 5 is repeating. Only we consider 7 and 5. Here first root x, 2 root x minus 1 equal to 7. Therefore 2 root x equal to 8. Then root x equal to 8 over 2, then which is equal to 4. Then squaring both sides, x equal to 16. Now 4 divided by 2 is x equal to 4 square 16. That is x equal to 16 possible integer solution for x. And another, the second things, 2 root x minus 1 equal to 5. 2 root x equal 5 plus 1 is 6. Root x equal to 6 by 2, 3. And x is squaring both sides is 9. So we have the values of x equal to 16 and x equal to 9. Here x equal to 16, or we can substitute any values for here. Positive integer x equal to 16, the first equation root x plus y equal 13, equation 1. We are substituting 16, that is for x is 16 plus y equal to 13. Only positive value of root of 16 is 4 plus y equal 13, and y equal 13 minus 4 equal 9. This side, see, root x plus y equal to 13, root of 9 plus y equal to 13, then y equal 13, then 13 minus 3, therefore y equal to 10. Then x equal to 9, not 13, this is, or it is 19. So not root x plus y equal to 13. Now here this will not give an integer solution, so we can avoid this because root of 10 is not an integer solution. Therefore our solution equal x equals 16 and y equal to 9. This is our solution. This very interesting problem solved by famous mathematician Ramanujan. Now I solved with different numbers to understand this type of problem clearly. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.